It's time for another Kctool haul. All right, let's do this. I know you guys been waiting for a long time for a Kctool haul. This is cool. There is a new one out on the Knipex fan page. It's a black version now. Check it out. Only ships in Germany. But if you have a friend or somebody in Germany that can ship it out to you, definitely worth it. And I think you can still get this one too. But there's a black version. It's right up on the page. Knipex fan shop, and it'll pop up right there. It's a cool one right there. I don't know if they got this there. It's a nice little koozie. Let's get this out of the way and let's get to this. And it's been a while. This has been on back order for, probably 3 months at minimum. Got the 16, 20, 50 Knipex electrician's knife here to do the honors. Oh yes. Yeah, there was just one item in this order that took quite a bit, and then I just told them to hold off, and so I am way behind. I'm still way behind, and I got this box here in the way. So let's open it up and get some stuff out of here. And voila, we have quite a bit of things here, and of course the thanks. We have the Philo, looks like, again. Is it still the Philo number 2 bit? Yeah, every Kctool order has the Philo bit. Put that off to the side over here. And the threshold was reached, so we have a sticker pack still. So that is cool right there. They're still doing that, it seems. So pretty cool, no part number on that. And it's been a while here, sorry guys. We have a flyer that is different than the other ones. We have a NWS. This is the seasonal summer. Oh, I just got the email on this one. Yeah, so we have NWS stuff on sale, the seasonal sale at the moment. 33% off, not bad. NWS is good stuff. Nice oversized handles if you like the comfort a little bit more. And yeah, up to 41% off there. That's pretty cool. Get all 3. Very nice. And we have the Kctool section of the flyer. Very different on this one. Pretty cool. Looks like they changed it up a bit. I like it. Let's put that off to the side, and let's start off with this one right here, the stubby. Let's put this over here, and always with the nice presentation here. It's the KK Stubby Magazine 4, and yeah, comes with the Phillips 1, 2, and 3, and flatheads. 3 sides of the flatheads, it looks like right there. And it's made in the Czech. And this is another stubby version. Ooh, is that a new sticker? Ooh, that is sweet. Looks like a new non-clear design. This is kind of like a black non-transparent version. This is a new one. First time I've seen this, so got nothing else in the box. Always a cool representation of everything they have. And yeah, we got a version of the stubby, which I chose. There's quite a few of these on the Kctool website. Here's another number. There's 009880 Wera stubby. So there's quite a few options. I think this one wasn't available as well when I ordered it. So yeah, these hold quite well. You just stick them in there, and they're easy to remove, and this tilts off to the side to make it a lot easier. So it's quite nice right there. I think I wanted a number 3. That's probably what it was. I wanted more Phillips choices on that one. We have a lot of flathead choices on there. It's like a 5.5, 4.5, and a 6.5. Pretty cool. Nice little stubby to have. Let's see what else I got right here on the stubby wise. A little quick comparison. This is a regular magnetic stubby. and it's not too much bigger than a regular one. And this is the one that came in the calendar. This is the first version of the one that you can get. Looks like we have a little bit of Torx in there, and only up to a number 2 Phillips in the calendar. So pretty cool. Nice blue version there. I think you can still get this calendar. So that's cool right there. Let's keep it moving. Got some more stuff in there. And let's look at this. Here is the 816RA. Zoom in on here for your part numbers. Let's just keep this going here. Very nice, and no sticker in here. Get this off to the side over here. We have a ratcheting rapid adapter. Let's see if it's a rapid adapter in a minute here. Let's look over here. There's no indication on what it is on the end. Yeah, R16RA, left, right, and the lock. Let's find a bit here and see how this works here. Is it a rapid adapter? Oh yes, nice. We have a rapid adapter. Keep in mind, some of these aren't a rapid adapter. Just because it has this grip on it doesn't mean that it's always going to be a rapid adapter. Rapid adapter meaning by just a one-click design, and it's locked. And then I think it has the eject feature, does it? No eject feature, just a one-click design. But yeah, still comes in handy. And I believe it's a 72 tooth. Nice Wera logo on there. And the other version I had in the past was this one, which comes in handy if you have the short bits. That it is magnet, so it'll get stuck in places. So when you get the bit stuck, it'll stay in there. So the magnet's never gonna be too strong. And yeah, this one has the bits on the inside. So this is not gonna let go. Whatever you have it on, you could pull out and get that bit out of whatever you're getting into. Pretty much, it's a little bit smaller because this holds the bit. So there's a size comparison there for you. Yeah, there you go on that. Same ratcheting mechanism. Seems a little louder on this one. But there you go on that. Pretty neat. Let's go on to the next item here. We have something I've never seen before. This is the one that was on a intergalactic back order, and we have 5 stars here. Well, this is the 881-/4/1, and what it does, it is a depth control, and we can control the depth, I guess, on the bit. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. All right, this is for someone that wants precise controlled depth. I know this is not drywall. This is the best I can find close to drywall at the moment. I did purchase this when I was doing drywall, so I figured I'd give this a shot, but it's too late now. I don't have any drywall lying around anywhere, but yeah, I see this as something that for someone who really wants the precise depth of what they're working on. If it's like really expensive trim or something and they just want to control the depth of it, because this nice microfiber cushion. It comes with 2 little microfiber pads, and the cushion on here, it's pretty nice. This is against there, right there. And yeah, you just move the ring and you lock it to the precise location you want. And it just, there's an O-ring right there, and you lock it, and then there you go. The bit is very difficult to remove, so you can remove the whole thing, or you could just go all the way, there we go, all the way down. So you could just, the knurling is quite nice on it. You could go all the way down and then grab the bit out. This is just a bit I had, and it holds it with a paper clip style ring. It doesn't look like there's a magnet in there, and I don't believe this plastic piece is replaceable. I didn't see a part number for that, but maybe in the future they might have something for that. But it spins around freely once you have this locked in. And I find this rather large. As you can see, that's where the bit goes, and this is how big this thing is. It's about, let's see here. Yeah, just a little over an inch on diameter. So getting into corners might be difficult with this. So yeah, keep that in mind. This is a rather large piece right here. It's pretty heavy too. So another thing to consider if you're doing a lot of drywall work, this does add weight to your gun. I don't know exactly how much it weighs, but it's just, it feels right now in the hand. It is really heavy, especially when you're doing a lot of drywall work. You want something light. Just keep that in mind. I'm not a drywaller, and yeah, I was just testing out. I wanted to test out different bits to do the work, and yeah, it's a little too late now. So yeah, it's made for flush screws, so you don't break through like that, and yeah, you gotta, just for the person who wants to fine tune the depth of their screw. So yeah, enough of that. Let's go on to the next item here. All right, looks like that's it. So last but not least here, we have, oh yes, I already did my bottle opener Friday of the day on Instagram. So you guys are gonna be exclusive to see this first here on YouTube. The Rebel hand bottle opener. Nice. Got the impact cap on these yellow ones. These are always nice to have. This is the Heavy Metal 3, is Craftform 7. This one had more of a variety on it, so I like the variety it had. And Robertson, not too much. Oh, I do have Craig jig screws, so that might work well for that. I think I already have this one already though. But yeah, extra slim. Yeah, VDE. Let's get on in. Just got a laser tip on them too. Ooh, we got a holder, so I got a lot of these now. And once again with the micro screwdriver holders, and then the through hole for the other holders, along with the tabs to hold it to the wall. Pretty cool right there. And voila. Ooh, it comes in a little box. Let's check this little booger out. Ooh, had a rough ride there. Let's see if it survived. Check that out. Isn't that cool? Very sweet. I guess it just right there has extra support. That is cool. Rock on. Yes. Looks like it's been tumbled too. That's nice work right there. Love it. That is nice. And got the laser tip, regular handle. I don't think I have one of these. I have like a lot of screwdrivers. I don't have like their basic screwdriver length like this one. This is a 100 millimeter 4-inch. And these ones are the striking cap ones, which are nice. I have a couple of these. These are pretty solid. Love these. Like the high vis color on them as well. Yeah, these are cool for any chisel action work that you need. The only thing I wish is that they were a little bit wider, but there is larger sizes you can get to that are wider. So yeah, they're massive though. So those are cool right there. Got a couple VDE. So yeah, nice little mix here. And I have this style right here. And yeah, they are super thin, which is super nice. All have the numbering at the bottom. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Here's a number 1. I think I have one of these. These are cool. Yeah, the Robertson number 2. So yeah, times 100 times 80. 80 is the length. So yeah, 100 is the length, 80 is the length. And looks like we have an updated sticker here too. And looks like it didn't quite survive. At least it all made it here. That's just the holder here. And yeah, pretty cool. Let's get all this up together here. Alrighty, folks. Thank you for your patience. Hopefully I'll get another Kctool haul soon. And yeah, so hold on a second here. Sorry, it's hot in here. I have the AC off. So pricing. These are roughly around 65, 70 bucks. There's like 3 sets, I believe. So depending on the set you choose, these run about, 65, 70 bucks currently on the Kctool website. This one is rather steep right here. It is 40 bucks, and you can see that it's made in China. So yeah, keep that in mind. This one runs about 47 bucks. Not bad with the rapid adapter there. It does not come off. It's just permanent there. Yeah. And the stubbies, depending on which one you want, these are in the $25 range. And again, always some awesome perks there. Check out the tool of the day. If that is what you want to get for the day, it's a good time to save your cart, and then good time to just run that cart through with that tool of the day, and make sure it's over, I think, the $75, the $75 shipping threshold. And when it's over 100, you get the sticker pack. And don't forget to check out the NWS supplier deals, or their seasonal deals. Always check their seasonal deals. They have something going on with that. And the bit of thanks is still awesome to get that on every shipment. And yeah, thanks again for watching, guys, and on to the next. Cheers.